Hi guys, I'm going to teach you about the pencil tool. You can select it over here, or you can press N for the shortcut. Here it is. Now you can left click and then just drag your mouse to draw. Okay, now you can double click on this pencil tool icon and it will show the settings menu over here. And near the top you're going to see a bar that says smooth on the one side and accurate on the other side. Let's move it all the way to smooth and then press OK. And now you can see if you draw a squiggly line, it's going to automatically make it smoother. Okay, now let's double click on the pencil tool icon again. Now let's move this all the way to accurate and then press OK. And now if you draw a squiggly line again, it's going to stay the exact same way that you drew it. And now let's open the pencil settings again. Now we can uncheck this box that's next to keep selected over here. Then press OK. And now if you draw something, it's not going to stay selected afterwards. Okay, yeah, you can now use the selection tool. Press V for the shortcut. Select some of the lines like this. And now you can go to the corner. You can rotate them just like you can with other shapes. You can change the size. Okay, now you can go to the center of the box. Click and drag to move it around. Okay, and if it's selected, you can just press the delete key to delete them. Okay, now let's draw a line. Now open the pencil settings. Tick the keep selected box now and draw another line, and now you'll see it stays selected. Okay, and let's change the stroke color to blue. Now let's draw another line, and let's just change the stroke color to red. Remember, you can double click to bring up the color picker like this. Okay, and make sure the line is selected. Now let's go to the properties panel on the right and let's make it thicker. There we go. Let's make it even bigger than that. Okay. And even bigger. And let's draw another line. And it's just going to stay that same thickness as the previous one. Yeah, let's go back to 1 point again. And you can change the opacity as well over here. You can just use this bar at the bottom to drag this along. Okay, now let's select the other red line and make the opacity less. There we go. Now let's draw a circle-like shape with the pencil tool. Now let's open the pencil settings. Okay, where it says close paths, when ends are within, and then a certain number, let's put 15, just leave it at 15 and press OK. And now if you draw a circle or any sort of shape, let's just make this one have a fill. Okay, if you draw, let's make the stroke smaller for this one. Okay, now if you draw another circle, but you don't close it fully, you just leave a little gap, and then it's still going to close it anyway, and you can still fill it as long as you draw it close enough within those 15 points, then it'll still close it. And that's how that works.